How to earn 6 figures per year with self-publishing. Self-publishing through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allows authors to publish and sell their books online. Pros: control over the publishing process. Higher royalties. Sell globally. Cons: you need to do your own marketing and promotion. It's hard to create a quality product if you lack experience. Lack of traditional publishing support and resources. How to start. The first step is the hardest: writing a good book. Once you've done this, it's easy to upload and publish your book on Kindle and print formats. The next step is getting sales. Consider promoting the book to your audience and optimizing the product description to include keywords people are searching for. If you don't have an audience, start building one while you're writing the book. Many authors find success by sending an email newsletter with MailerLite. Once you have your first sales, ask people you know who bought the book to leave a review to push your listing up the Amazon algorithm. With self-publishing, here's a general step-by-step. -1 is niche selection. Focus on a specific, profitable niche with high demand. 2 is content creation. Write high-quality, valuable content that addresses your audience's needs. -3 is publishing platforms. Utilize platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, for distribution. -4 is marketing strategies. Implement effective marketing tactics such as social media promotion, SEO, and email marketing. -5 is monetization. Diversify income streams by creating a series of eBooks or offering supplementary products/services. -6 is identify a niche market. Focus on a specific topic with demand but limited competition. Research and content creation. Conduct thorough research and create high-quality, valuable content. Market research is identifying a niche with demand and minimal competition using tools like Amazon's bestseller lists and keyword research tools. Content creation is write high-quality, valuable content or hire a ghostwriter. Ensure the content addresses the needs and interests of your target audience. Professional presentation. Investing in professional cover design and formatting to ensure the ebook looks appealing. -7 is effective marketing. Utilize social media, email marketing, and partnerships with influencers to promote the ebook. -8 is monetization strategies. Sell on multiple platforms, Amazon, personal websites, and consider upsells and cross-sells. 9 is sales channels. Sell through platforms like Amazon Kindle, your website, or other digital marketplaces. -10 is automation and scaling. Automate processes such as marketing and customer service to scale the business effectively. Bonus is professional presentation. Invest in professional cover design and formatting to enhance the ebook's appeal. 11 is sales funnel. Create a sales funnel with upsells and additional products to maximize revenue. Also, here are niches that are popular where you can start. Religion and spirituality. Biographies and memoirs. Business and money. Self-help. Cookbooks, food and wine. Here's a model case study. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.